cops are here, the cops. Oh no. Oh yeah. There it is.
No! Please, no. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
It's me, Spider Beach.
If you're new here, welcome to the Buzz House. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. And if you're just passing by because of the title of the video, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. Today I want to talk about NIKITA DRAGUN. She was caught on camera this week filming a music video with rapper and songwriter SAWEETIE. NIKITA DRAGUN is a YouTuber with 3.25 million subscribers, and SAWEETIE is a songwriter and rapper with 1.32 million subscribers on YouTube and over 6 million followers on Instagram. They gathered in RODEO DRIVE, filmed their video, posed for some photos for their Instagrams, and posted some sneak peeks of the production. And all the posts that they put on Instagram have the tag RODEO DRIVE. What they did is illegal.
Wait.
A couple of YouTubers who were passing by just got the footage of them just filming around with their crew, lying on the floor, stopping traffic, just kind of causing a little bit of a havoc. Obviously, it was late at night, but still. To film in RODEO DRIVE, and for that matter, anywhere in LA, you need a permit. When does a filmmaker need a permit? It's simple. A film permit is required when the project has any commercial value. If the project is meant to be distributed and sold, you need a permit. For all the YouTubers out there, since the videos you are creating are considered commercial, you need a permit too. The cost of the film permit will vary depending on the exact locations you want to film in, but the basic application fee is $685 for the motion permit and $65 for a stills permit. There are fees on top of that, which again will vary, as well as you have to have insurance. As you saw in this video, they are filming in the middle of the street. What if somebody runs them over? How long does the film permit take to be processed? You need a minimum of 3 days to get the permit approved. Now, the penalties that could occur to a person who gets caught without a permit filming in LA. In Los Angeles, it is a misdemeanor offense to film without a permit. If caught, your film production will be shut down and you may be subject to significant fines and costly court appearances. You may even be subject to arrest and equipment confiscation.
Somebody royally forked up.
So the police arrive, and this is the excuse they gave the police.
There it is.
No.
Oh, what's that smell? It's bullshit.
Oh, they're off the hook. They're off the hook.
And they got away with it. Even if it's not a YouTube video, it does have a commercial value and it will be distributed. Permits are necessary. Now, what irritates me that the police just stopped and did not do anything about it, because her excuse was NIKITA DRAGUN is a public figure. They had professional equipment with them. The reason why this infuriates me is because these two creators make a whole lot of money. NIKITA DRAGUN's estimated income $840,000 a year, which makes her at the $70,000 a month bracket. And her friend SAWEETIE, a little over $500,000 a year, which puts her at $47,000 a month. They can't afford a $1,000 permit, a couple of insurance coverages, and some other permits for their video. These YouTubers are so entitled to just start taking over the town, not checking for the laws and not checking to see if they are allowed to do these filmings or not. And they make thousands of dollars pushing content out, and they couldn't dish out $2,000 or $3,000. This is kind of ridiculous. The police did nothing, just let them go. They got away with getting caught filming illegally in Rodeo Drive. YouTubers nowadays are so disregarding of consequences that they do things and leave several clues to incriminate them with no regards to consequences because they don't get any consequences. But it really upsets me that these people are making thousands of dollars and can't dish out to their own city a couple of $100s to get a permit to film a video, paying forward to the city, helping out to improve their city, and doing things legally. What do you think about it? This is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Ring the bell button so you can get notified every time I post. Don't forget to like this video. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next upload. Bye!